It might look like this is different colored frosting, but the two shades are actually the exact same. Getting your buttercream frosting colors to be deep and vivid used to mean dumping gel coloring into it until it ruined the taste, but not anymore. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you an easy, quick, magical trick that anyone can do to make your American buttercream frosting more vibrant and colorful. To start, I'm whipping up a batch of my classic American buttercream frosting. There's a full recipe tutorial in the link below. Next, I'm separating my frosting into separate bowls to add gel coloring to each. I've seen this done with red and black before, but I'm going to make a complete rainbow of colors. Let's start with pink. While I'm mixing, let me break down the baking science to why this trick works. Butter is an emulsion, which sounds fancy, but it's a mixture of two liquids that don't normally like each other, like oil and water. Butter is primarily fat and water. When butter gets warm, the water and fat separate from each other, and that's what we are going to do. Heat the butter, which is in our frosting, in the microwave. Yes, the microwave will make the frosting a soupy mess, but we actually want that because when melted, it will fully absorb the gel food coloring. If you're new to my channel, hi friend, and welcome! Each week I share recipes and fun decorating tips like this, so like, share, and subscribe to see what we bake together next. Now we have our frosting rainbow. I'm taking a little bit from each color to keep as a control frosting, and we'll be microwaving the rest. I'll start with purple. I'm taking about half of the purple frosting I've mixed and putting it into a bowl. Make sure you are using a microwave-proof container and pop the frosting into the microwave. Depending on the wattage, you will need between 5 and 10 seconds. Ta-da! Frosting soup! But look at the immediate difference. The purple is deeper and more luminous. To bring our soup back to frosting form, all you need to do is pop it back into the fridge until it firms up. We're going to repeat with the rest of our rainbow. Yellow has become more sunshiny. The green gets a springtime punch. Sky blue becomes more deep and distinct. And pink goes from baby pastel to Lily Pulitzer summer. Once the frosting is firm again, we're ready to transfer it to piping bags. See the difference in the depth of purple? There's a lot of science to this, and I've included a complete breakdown of it in the link in the description below. The control frosting gets transferred first. Yes, it did come out very violet, but you can clearly see the difference in the hue. Our microwave frosting goes next. The texture has returned to its earlier fluffier state, but now we have a much deeper shade to work with. Just look at the difference. The microwaved frosting is 3 shades darker. It's amazing! Even better is the side-by-side piping comparison. Soft pink has a dramatic darkening to deep pink. Our original orange is definitely pretty, but Halloween will come alive once darkened. I can see the pumpkins now. Yellow goes from soft butter to goldenrod. So beautiful. What once was mint green is now a lively grass green. That blue has gone from Caribbean waters to deep ocean waves. And light purple pales in comparison to the richness of deep purple. It truly is a stunning transformation across the entire rainbow spectrum. I don't think I will ever get over how much the color intensifies from doing something so simple. I'm already imagining how easy ombre cakes will be to make in the future. Forget making different batches with extra gel coloring. This is the effortless way to go. I hope you enjoyed making your buttercream frosting colors richer and more vibrant with me. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.